Nutanix and RedHat have entered into an official partnership. Chances are good you've already heard that message. As a part of onboarding, a number of SEs, as you might imagine, have taken to exploring what's possible with all kinds of technology available in the Red Hat suite of products. For my efforts, as a part of that exploration, I'm recording short video snippets or vignettes to chronicle my experiences. In this video, following this intro, you'll have a quick snippet of a part of the install process, actually in process, for OpenShift Cloud Ready Containers. The idea here is to get the mind flowing, thinking about what's possible. A little lay of the land here. On the left, this is the actual Red Hat server VM. This is where the OpenShift Cloud Ready containers are running. The way that you get these things started requires that a private key be entered for authentication. I don't have cut and paste functionality over here on the console, obviously, so I have a Red Hat desktop instance. Also, both of these are running on AHV that I used to SSH into and use the GUI's cut and paste capability to get this thing started. And so right now what you see is it's deployed the OpenShift VM. It's now updating the key store and waiting on the user's pull secret part of the instance disk. So hopefully in a few moments we'll be able to deploy some pods and services and all that sort of thing.